Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ima Halimatunisa with NPM 1198010092. I will presenting Indonesia and human rights protection. Human rights in Indonesia. Human rights as universal values have been contained in the Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, both in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution in the 4th paragraph and in the body of the 1945 Constitution and emphasized in the amendments to the 1945 Constitution. Indonesia has law number 38 of 1999 concerning human rights as a form of Indonesia's moral and legal responsibility as a member of the United Nations in respecting and implementing the Universal Declaration of Human Rights or UDHR in 1948, as well as various other human rights instruments regarding human rights that have been accepted in Indonesia. There are 8 of the 9 main international human rights instruments that have been ratified by Indonesia, namely 1. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, or UNO 7 or 1894. 2. Convention on the Right of the Child, or CAFRES number 38 or 1990, including the official protocol to the Convention on the Right of the Child on the Employment of Children in Armed Conflict. 3. Convention against torture and other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. 4. International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination 1965. 5. International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. 6. International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights. Next, Convention on the Right of Persons with Disabilities. Last, International Convention on the Protection of the Rights of Workers and Members of their Families. Indonesia also has a national human rights institution which is independent and in line with the various principles, namely the Indonesian National Human Rights Commission, or Komnas HAM, which was formed in 1999 based on law number 9 of 1999 on human rights. The National Human Rights Commission of the Republic of Indonesia regularly undergoes and review of the Global Alliance of National Human Rights Institutions and has received an accreditation since 2000 until now. As mandated in the 1993 Vienna Declaration and Program of Action on Human Rights, or Vienna Declaration and Program of Action on Human Rights, the government of Indonesia has ratified an implementation for national action plans for human rights, namely for the period 1998 to 113, for the period 2004 to 2009, for the period 2011 to 2014, and for the period 2015 to 2019 or ongoing. In its development, the preparation and implementation of the Ranham RE does not only involve the central government but also involves the regional government. The Indonesia government also has a joint secretariat of Ranham to monitor and evaluate the implementation of the Indonesian human rights action. Indonesia is active in building cooperation and partnership in the field of human rights in bilateral relations or multilateral cooperation at regional or global levels. Indonesia human rights diplomacy has two mutually reinforcing objectives, namely participate in joint efforts to promote and protect human rights at the regional and global levels in the field of human rights, and strengthening national effort in the field of human rights through international cooperation. In bilateral relations, Indonesia has had regular human rights bilateral dialogue with a number of countries. At the regional level, Indonesia has also established a special human rights body within the framework of ASEAN and OIC cooperation. At the global level, Indonesia is active in discussing various human rights issues, both within the UN Human Rights Mechanism and outside the UN Human Rights Mechanism. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.